holiday and birthday performance anxiety. I feel overwhelmed often with the desire and urge to do a good job at people's birthdays, and I almost never do.
You out here, Franny?
Yeah! Mainly because I'm like, oh, what should I get? What should I get? What should I get? And then the day rolls around and I've gotten nothing. It's your birthday! It's your birthday! She never asks for anything. I mean, ever. Except for a bird. But I'm going to, before she wakes up, decorate all these yellow balloons and try to make them look like cockatiel faces. This is a death trap. You know what's probably crazier than a person sitting in her car painting on balloons? Is a person in her car painting cockatiel faces on balloons while she talks to herself. They found her body in a crushed car full of latex cockatiel balloons. Funyun. Funyun has decided to change her name. She's going by the French pronunciation Funyun. It's sticking. She loves it. What's egg binding, Ava? I've never heard of it.
When, like, a
wait, hold on.
cockatiel.
Hold on.
You stay up.
No, look at that sunset.
Oh, sunset.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Oh, it's so shiny. Just like
my daughter.
No, just like a bird.
Okay,
Just like the shiny little chicken.
back to egg binding. What is egg binding, and why did
This is what it's like to be dyslexic, people.
No, ADD.
Teach me about...
It's ADD.
Exactly what I was thinking about. Oh, red sign.
It's just like, okay,
tall pole.
here we are talking about egg binding. Ooh, look, that's shiny.
But we just cover more material than most people, that's all.
You could call it that. So anyway, egg binding is when a female cockatiel stays up too late, and then they think it's the wrong season, so they try to lay an egg, but then their internal body clock, it's kind of like won't spin around, has no clue what season it is, and so the egg doesn't come out, and then the bird dies.
Egg binding. And it happens if you
It happens to chickens, and I'm fairly sure this can happen to all birds, so do not stay up late if you have a female bird. Male birds, nah,
that's why we're going with male this time.
This is why we're getting a male bird.
Staying up late, really late, regularly, could kill
Your bird.
me.
It's kind of an abrupt ending.
Yeah, you can put...
Alright, what is this?
This is the remnants of your youth that you discover when you're 40, right?
Have you found it yet?
Yeah, it's right here. It's a single hair that survived the atomic explosion of where my hairline used to be.
Oh, it's like a forehead hair.
Yep, it's one left. It's one, because the hair used to be down here, but one survived.
Let me see it. Move
So,
your finger.
he's right there. He's right there. He's a good inch away from all the other hairs. He's on an island by himself now.
Hold on, let me zoom in. There you go. There it is.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wait, are you gonna leave it?
So sad.
Are you
Yeah,
gonna
what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tease it up and comb it towards the other hairs. It's not a comb over, it's a comb toward. No, he's gone.
Oh, poor little hair. You ready for your haircut? Isn't that gorgeous? What is up with the sun lately? God.